Norton. Daniel Norton.
Oh, okay, all right. Miss Underwood, I have Mr. Norton. All right, so Mr. Norton, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Daniel Philip Norton, file number 23-21382FH. So Mr. Norton, we are here on a request and summons for probation violation. I show that request and summons for probation violation was filed on April 17th, which alleged that you failed to report to the probation department as ordered on March 19 or any time thereafter. And Mr. Norton, you looks like you got picked up from the jail on a misdemeanor bench warrant. But sir, do you understand we also have a show cause against you for probation violation?
Yes.
Mr. Norton, do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Norton, as I said, the allegation is you failed to report to probation on March 19 or any time thereafter. You're currently on probation for larceny from a motor vehicle. So if you plead guilty or found guilty of this violation, you could be facing up to 5 years in prison. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Mr. Norton, do you want an attorney to represent you on this file?
No.
Okay.
I guess,
Mr.
yeah.
Norton, yes or no?
Yes, I get an attorney.
Okay, all right, Ms. Underwood, I'm gonna appoint you to represent Mr. Norton, and I'm gonna open up some breakout rooms. And I will place you and Mr. Norton into that breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so there you go. Go ahead and join that breakout room. Good morning, Mr. Rogers.
Morning.
Let me get your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Scott Allen Rogers. We have two files. We have a pretrial today on file number 24-21764FH, and we have an arraignment on file number 24-21815FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Rogers, and I have Phoebe McClure appearing on behalf of the people. So, Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed today?
Judge, I would like to proceed to arraignment on the new charge.
Okay.
We would acknowledge receipt of the information, waive its reading in open court, waive any defects as to time and place of service. Mr. Rogers would stand mute as to counts 1 through 4 in the habitual offender notice, fourth offense notice. We'd also acknowledge receipt of the witness list. Judge, I was hopeful that after some preliminary discussions with Prosecutor Sneed, we would have a plea in place by today, but we do not. So I'd ask to set this out for a pretrial, and I'd also ask to adjourn the 764 case.
Anyway.
To adjourn the 764 case out as well. Perhaps 30 days we can get, I think we can get this matter resolved.
So I have May 29 or June 5, and then I don't have anything till the end of June.
Let's do the 29th, Judge.
All right. So, Mr. Rogers, I am going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf on file number 24-21815FH. And then I'm going to set both for pretrial on May 29 at 8:30 in the morning. So, Mr. Rogers, your bonds continue, and we'll see you back on that day. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Rogers.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. So Mr. Malaro, I think so.
And I thought you wanted to see my face today. So
I always like to see your face. All right, I guess you're all set, and I just have round of luck. Thank you.
thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. All right, Miss Sebring, Miss Underwood is in a breakout room. So as soon as she's done with that client, I'll have you speak with her too, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Miss Adams, I don't need them right now, but whenever you can, we need, I need the yellow criminal pretrial scheduling orders, please. Plenty right now, but I got about 5. All right, Miss Underwood, let me bring back the jail room, and then we have Miss Sebring here too. All right, hold on. All right, Miss Underwood, we are back with Mr. Norden. So what I do with this file, how would you like to proceed on behalf of Mr. Norden today?
Your Honor, I just have one question. Maybe Mr. Jones can answer it for me. Mr. Jones, can you tell me what the district court warrants are on Mr. Norton?
The warrant is a bench warrant for failure to appear for a traffic offense.
A traffic offense. Okay. All right. Your Honor, this deals with a failure to report, and Mr. Norton is willing to plead guilty on that today.
Okay.
I want him to be aware that, I suppose, depending on what the traffic offense is, that could be a possible violation if Mr. Jones chose to do that.
Mr. Jones, do you know what the nature of the bench warrant is in district court?
I don't, Judge. I mean, I'm probably looking at the same thing you are, as far as it says fleeing, eluding. On the arrest sheet,
Oh, so he's got,
fleeing, eluding, third, and no ops.
Oh,
so
Mr. Norton, maybe we should put this out for a week and see how that goes. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you,
And just so you know,
Ron.
Judge, I won't be around next week, but obviously if he decides to act on it, I'll take care of it when I get back.
okay. So let's see if I even have room next week. Let me see here. So
We could
all
enter,
right, I can do what?
if we can enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Norton's behalf today. Thank you.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to set this over to May 15 at 8 a.m. I'll enter a plea of not guilty, and then we'll see you back on that day, Mr. Norton, okay?
Okay.
If you get
Thank you.
released from jail, make sure you show up next Wednesday at 8 o'clock, okay? You gotta answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, okay, we'll see you back next Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Miss Underwood, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Haley Sebring, file number 24-21812FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Miss Sebring. And I have, it's so many files stuck together here, hold on. And then I have Phoebe McClure appearing on behalf of the people. Miss Underwood, how do you want, this is the date and time set for arraignment. Do you waive the reading of the felony information on Miss Sebring?
We would waive the reading of the felony information, Your Honor, acknowledge its receipt and request and the receipt of the witness list and request for discovery, and ask that the court enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Sebring's behalf and set this matter for a pretrial on May 22nd with Ms. Sebring's other files, Your Honor.
All right.
So we can take care
Okay.
of these in toto.
All right, so I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on Ms. Sebring's behalf, and I'll set this for pretrial May 22nd at 8:30, and your bonds continued. So I believe that concludes our very short but sweet criminal docket this morning. Ms. Underwood, you're all set?
Your Honor, can I ask, did they bring Mr. Woolard?
I don't have him on my docket for
schedule
today. I don't have
That
him on
looks
my
like-
docket.
Is that at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock, Rhonda.
Okay,
Remember, he doesn't like to get up early in the morning.
that's right, but I just wondered, since you said your docket was completed, I just wondered if it. had
Well,
been
that part of
scheduled.
it is the arraignment. So I'll see you back at 10 o'clock, Rhonda.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Bye.
Your Honor,
Yes?
may I have a breakout room with my attorney, please? Just for a
Ms.
moment.
Underwood, you need to go to